Welcome back to DIY with Dr. Jazz. Your girl made her own leave-in conditioner because I am not with the chemicals and preservatives in these products made for women of color and textured hair. If you're looking to see how I did it, stay tuned. Now, this is my base ingredients. I have my oil phase that has shea butter, cocoa butter, emulsifying wax, and a little bit of infused oil that I made. And I also have some distilled water boiling to about 160 to 180 degrees. Using the double boiler method, I melted down my oil phase and I actually slowly added the distilled water in while it was still between that 160 and 180 degrees. Using my hand mixer, if you take a peek, y'all, look at how it begins to literally turn into a lotion-like texture. This was actually my favorite part about making it because I've made tons of whipped little butters and stuff like that for myself before, but nothing that I can put in my hair, nothing that was really usable. Don't get me wrong, I was really nervous because at first it seemed like I was adding a little bit too much water. But if you look at the ingredients on the back of any label for anything, including hair products, the first 5 ingredients listed are the most abundant because ingredients are typically listed by weight. So if I was to list my ingredients out for this, water would be the first ingredient. And it whipped up to look so nice. The texture is looking really good. And it reminded me of like one of Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioners that I used to buy, which made me feel really good inside. So just stay tuned and watch it all come together for a second. Honestly, it actually looks like lotion. It actually looks like lotion or just one of the whipped butters that I would have put on my skin. And now all of the water is being fully incorporated into the mix. And you're going to see that it actually holds its shape and its texture, which was really pleasing to see. After that, I allow her to cool down just slightly so I can go ahead and start whipping it to the texture that I really wanted it to be in. Once it started to cool down, that's when I knew that I could start to add my scents, which was my essential oils and then my preservative. But I really just wanted to get the texture just a little bit fluffier before I did that. Now, you guys can add whatever essential oils you want. You can add however you like. I used orange and chamomile, which just gave this most amazing, soft, and delicate smell, which I like. And I went in with Soap Beauty's water-soluble preservative, which was really good. Guys, please do your math on this stuff. It really is important that you know the weight of your product so you know the exact amount of preservative you're going to be using if you are making this recipe at home. I have not dropped the recipe yet and probably won't just because it's my first batch of leave-in conditioner, and I will say that some of the oils or emulsifying wax didn't melt as deeply together as I would like, but it turned out really great. And look at that. It looks like icing on a cake, holding its texture, really soft. And from here, I actually ordered some glass amber jars and amber bottles to store my infused oil that I made to put into the leave-in conditioner and the leave-in conditioner in. I really want to make this stuff last, guys, because these ingredients that I use in this were expensive. Now, you don't have to go and get all the things off of Etsy like I did. And to clean those glass jars, I actually just used a paper towel and some isopropyl alcohol. Just wipe the inside out. You don't want any extra moisture, water, or anything that can turn the mixture rancid to touch your final product. You just work so hard on it. You want to make sure that you're able to use it and keep it. And you slowly just begin to fill the jars. Now, this is my sourdough little spoon. I'm going to be honest, I sanitized it, but clearly I know that I'm going to have to buy some more tools, bowls, spatulas if I'm going to be making this long term. And guys, just with how the texture came out and how it's looking and feeling on my hair, I'll be making my own leave-in conditioner for the rest of my life. It's super fun, especially as a DIY queen. I love to do anything at home that makes me feel very homey and very creative. And I was a biochem major in undergrad, so this kind of stuff is actually super familiar to me. And now your girl is going to experiment with it on her hair. I actually had locks for 5 years, guys, and I decided to cut them off in May. Had to do the big chop, had to do a new start. That was my infused oil that I made, and these are the little amber dropper bottles that I got from Amazon to put that stuff in, y'all. I was just so excited to have all of it. Now, my spray solution is 25% aloe juice, 75% distilled water. This just helps with keeping some good slippage in my hair and getting it nice and moisturized before I add the leave-in conditioner in. And look at her, we're gonna use it, and I'm just gonna thoroughly get a good amount and just mix it into my hair and see what the texture is like. And I'll go ahead and spoil you guys in advance. She was doing it for me. My hair is super duper soft. I'm addicted to using the formula, honestly, already. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what type of hair I have, 4C, B, G, I don't care. I just like to know what my hair likes and what it doesn't like so I can feel good about how I'm styling it. I anticipate on being able to do some braids in my hair by November for my birthday, but right now I'm just gonna keep her super duper moisturized, and I thoroughly moisturize my teeny weeny afro, okay? Especially if you're not hydrating as much throughout the day. You want to make sure that you incorporate that leave-in conditioner in each part of your hair as best as possible, okay? Don't leave any ends. If you feel like you need more product, guess what? That's okay. Don't skimp on it just because you're scared that you're going to be overusing it. No, I'd rather be super moisturized than later on dry in the day. I was just honestly feeling myself, y'all. I was feeling good about my outfit. And from there, we finished with our oil phase. I had a little bit left over from when I filled up my little dropper bottle, so I went ahead and finished off with that. Typically, I do have an aloe and chia seed, flax and chia seed gel that I put on top of it, but I've been a lazy girl lately. I haven't made another batch, so I need to do that and strain it through some pantyhose. But until then, this is what my hair is looking like after adding the oil. I know I may probably need to zoom in for you guys for the next video. And from there, your girl is going to go ahead and slick down her edges before I go in to see my patients. I am always using my favorite gel that I used when I had locks. I'll definitely put that in the description below. And look, every girl does her edges differently, okay? Don't start with me about what I should and shouldn't be doing with my edges, okay? Because I'm doing it how I want to do it. And my babe got me this super cute Hello Kitty mirror. Shout out to him. And I absolutely love just doing my makeup or hair in it. But that is my final product for leave-in conditioner, the oil. I can't wait to actually drop the full recipe for you guys. But if you're a DIY girly like me and you want to start making your own stuff at home, don't hesitate to use your resources. Look up recipes, try, fail, and just find what works best for you. If you like all my content, stay tuned for more DIY with Dr. Jazz. I love you guys. I feel good. The texture of my hair looks juicy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.